everyone, today's story is Peppa Pig, My Granny. My name is Peppa and this book is all about my granny. She is the best granny in the whole wide world. And she smells lovely too. My granny is an amazing babysitter. If we aren't feeling sleepy, she lets us play games. When she goes out, my granny always wears her favourite hat, even when she's splashing in muddy puddles. My granny likes to fill her garden with nice plastic things, but my grandpa isn't quite so keen. My granny loves talking to her pet parrot Polly, even when she grunts like a noisy little piggy. Oink! My granny takes us on all sorts of days out. We like Pirate Island best. Sleepovers at my granny's house are lots of fun. Every morning her chickens lay eggs for our breakfast. My granny is a brilliant cook. She always bakes enough for everyone. Thank you for listening and remember to subscribe to the channel for more great stories and please remember to leave a big thumbs up.